How to fix Instagram Notes music not showing in iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Notes music not showing on iPhone. In order to fix the problem, first go to Settings. Scroll down and go to General. Then go to iPhone Storage. Here, tap on Instagram. You need to offload the app in order to get rid of unnecessary data. Once it is offloaded, go to your App Store. Here, reinstall the app and update it to the latest version. After that, go to the Instagram app. Go to Messages. Tap on Your Notes. Now you can share the music on your notes. Just select the song of your choice and crop it to your required part. Tap on Done to share it on your notes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.